What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, today we're going to talk about a specific topic, the road. Okay, the road to be a millionaire. That road, guys, is not easy. It's not easy. That is why there are not many millionaires in this world, because the road is not as easy as many people think. It's not. Some people hit it by luck, and again, even after getting it luckily, they still lose everything. You understand? But anyway, before we get into that, let's go look at the market right quick, and let's check on the coins that we are trading in this bull run, which is King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Let's go look at how they performed for the past 24 hours, and at the same time, let's look at the trades. Let's compare trades. I'm going to show you mine, and at the same time, you can also compare. Excuse me. You can also compare with your trades to see how good they've been performing for the past 24 hours. So let's go look at crypto bubbles first. That's where we usually start. So let's go look at crypto bubbles. Okay, crypto bubbles right there. As you can see, the market is red. Okay, there was a little bit of a pump yesterday, and that is why it's important that you hold, guys, that you hold the coins that are really important, the coins that are really going to make you that money on your positions. But anyways, let's go look at the coins that we are trading. We are going to start first with the King Casper, which is KAS. Okay, as you can see, for the past hour, Casper is down 0.6%, 1.5% down on the day. Okay, you can see it's just right there. And on the weekly, we are still up 5.4%. Okay, now let's look at Quant, QNT, Quant. Okay, on Quant, you can see for the past hour, we are down 1.6%. 1.8% up on the day and 10.9% up on the week. Again, guys, like I told you guys, Quant is taking up, and that is what it is doing right now. The price is beginning to show signs of going up. Now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. Okay, Jasmine, you can see it's slightly the same thing, but the difference is that you can see here 1.7% down on the hour, 4.4 down on the day, and guys, 27.7% up on the week. And today's just Tuesday. So as you can see, the reason like most of the coins on the daily and on the hourly showed negative is because there was a massive pump. And once that massive pump happens, you will see this coming down a little bit. Okay, it's going to come down for the price to take a breather before the continuation upwards. Okay, so that is excuse me, that is what's happening on the price. Okay, price came up really hard. Something like Jasmine, price came up. Okay, some people, which is normal, some people have their trigger position to take their profit when it hits a certain amount. Some people are selling their spot because they think, okay, I think I've made enough money and I can get away from there, and that's normal. Price usually is going to go up, come back down. They take a breather before we continue upwards. Now let's go look at the price in more details in a trading view, because right there we're about to see, excuse me, right there we're about to see in more details, okay, what the price is doing. Let's go to trading view. Right here we about to start with Casper. This is just it's a little bit funny because this is what I've been telling you guys since I don't even know when. Look at this. Look at take my arrow right quick. Now look, I told you guys price was gonna take off, go up, come down. It's coming to retest. retest, we're going higher. That's normal what is happening with Casper. It's normal. Go check my videos yesterday. Even when price broke above, and I told you guys, Casper, I don't think is going lower because this resistance right here is now going to act as support. Therefore, price breaks out, comes back, retests, and up we go. Okay, look at it on the 4 hours, for example. See, on the 4 hours, we have the same thing. Price went up, came down, retest. Okay, because like you see, look at these candles. Somebody tried to dump, and look at how fast it got butt right back up. Now went back continuous, now comes back and retest. Now we're gonna go up. Okay, there is a possibility of price probably chugging along for sideways probably a couple hours or a day or so, and then take off. Because what I see forming right now is a bull flag. Casper is forming a bull flag, and those patterns, they are very, very bullish. They usually break up to the upside. Okay, so now guys, these things, like I said, they are opportunities. If you miss this, if you miss this breakout right here, this one is another opportunity for you before price starts to go back up again. Okay, now let's go look at quant right quick. Let's look at quant, QNT. Quant, I like my Binance. Just like I told you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but this is exactly what I told you guys in my last video, even for the past couple of videos. Look at this. We'll break, first of all, this resistance, okay, at 72. This was a resistance, but we broke above it. As you can see, we even, the pump was so hard that it went above the moving average. Now, quant come back, test the moving average, and continues. Okay, now, what I'm seeing right here is like, you see the moving average has started to curve up. Quant is probably going to go sideways or come down a little bit and meet with the moving average somewhere here, and then continue the trajectory. Because like I'm telling you guys, there is a resistance at $85. $85, that is what this thing is hitting first and foremost right now. If I go on the daily, see on the daily, right there, I already had these lines drawn for the longest. You go ahead and you will see. You go ahead back on my past videos and you will see. See right here, this $85 is what we're aiming for right now. Quant is going to come up here, touch it, retest it, come back and form a support with the moving ribbon, or you might have enough power to break above it, come back and test it as support before going up to trying to break this moving average. Now, if you form a support above $85, the target is 104. Because what quant will do, I'm telling you guys, is it's going to break above the moving average, 200 moving average, turn it into support, and then go up to 104. That's what we are looking at right now. This move has been forming for the longest. If you go on the weekly, again, all this you're looking at right here, all this, the target for this is over there as $150 with some potential resistances at 104, 110, 130. That's where we have 120, 130. That's where we have all these resistances at. But the ultimate target is 150. If quant can break 150, guys, this thing is going to 220. After 220, we're looking at all-time highs. Okay, now let's look at it on the, let's look at it on the hourly. You see, now it is riding that ribbon, exactly riding, because you know that pump happened, we came, rode the ribbon, pump again, riding the ribbon. Now we're about to see it probably go up again and form a W. Now the W again is a very, very bullish pattern, and they usually break to the upside. So guys, if you miss, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out. Look, this thing gives people opportunities after opportunities. Like, that's what I usually say. You gotta pay attention to the price, okay? This here, if you miss this run from here, it gave you an opportunity to get in. Went up, gave you an opportunity to get in, get up. Now again, it's giving you another opportunity before we take another leg up again. That's why I told you guys, it is not, let's go back here. That's why I told you guys, it is not rocket science. all these traders, YouTubers making it to look like it's so difficult. All you need are three things: the moving ribbon, the 200 moving average, and this public sentiment. And then from time to time, I go on and look on the liquidation maps and also looking at the crypto bubbles. Talking about liquidation maps, let's look at this right quick. But before we go there, let me show you Jasmy. Let's look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, JAS, Jasmy on Binance. Because like a lot of people keep telling you, oh, Jasmy is going back down to 1 cent, 1.5, and I do remember telling you guys that is not happening. It is not going to happen. Do not listen to those guys. Look, right now, this was the time I kept telling you, get into that trade. Go back on my videos. I keep my receipts. See, now we broke up, rode the ribbon, broke up again. We are riding the ribbon. What I'm telling you guys, the resistance is at 3.3. Jasmy is now going to play between that 2.8 and 3.3. So if you go on the 4 hourly, look at that. We broke above the moving average. Look at the ribbon. We are still going high. Ribbon is still pointing upwards. We're still going high. So Jasmy right now is forming a bull flag. See? Is forming a bull flag, and when we break out of here, this bull flag is just a continuation of the previous one. Like I told you guys, this thing started on a weekly. If you look on the weekly, Jasmy target is around 9 to 10 cents. Okay, 9 to 10 cents. That is where this thing is leading to. A lot of people will tell you difference, a lot of people will tell you other stuff, but this move, this entire move you're looking at right now, has the destination to get to 9 to 10 cents. If you go on the weekly, go back on my videos again, you will see it, and it's following that trajectory easily. Okay, easily. If you look at it on the daily, like I told you guys, the first resistance we are going to have is going to be right here. Okay, we have a resistance at 3.8. Just need to break 3.8. Once we break it, we have a minor resistance at 4.5. We need to break that. Okay, once Jasmy break those two, it's it's like clear blue skies to 5 cents. 5 cents, we break that, we're going above the target, which is going to be 9 to 10 cents. Once that is done, all this you're looking at right here, like I keep saying, the movement supposed to take Jasmy to take 10 cents. After 10 cents, there is minor resistance, okay, at 12 cents. After 12 cents, there is nothing holding Jasmy back down until 20 cents. Okay, 20 cents on a dollar. Now, those of you who think that this thing is going to break all the way back down here to 2 cents or something like that, 1.8, is not happening. Let me show you the heat map right quick. Because like I said, the heat map usually help in a lot of things. Let's go right quick and look at the heat map. Okay, here, liquidation map. This is something that I'm trying to show a lot of people that this is what you got to pay attention to. Okay, now let's go start with Casper. Casper is KAS. Okay, Casper, and I'm going to use. It don't really matter. Let's look at the Binance. Let it load up. It load up for us. Okay. This is what I'm telling you guys. This is the reason why I'm telling you guys this thing is going to 20 cents or even above, apart from the bullish news that is coming out. There is a lot of short positions to be liquidated right there. Versus, look below the price. See that? Below the price, there is almost not much. Okay, you look at these gaps. See, there's a gap here, there's a gap here, there's a gap here. There is too much. There's a lot of money to be made. Okay, there's a lot of money to be made. Excuse me. There's a lot of money to be made right there, because there's going to be a short squeeze. A lot of people are about to lose a lot of money. Those of them shorting Casper right now. So the same thing is happening when you go look at Quant. Let's go look at Quant, QNT. Let's go back. I don't know on the chart. I want the liquidation mark. Okay, right here. Let's look at quants. QNT. Okay, I'm gonna take. Oh yeah, that will work. Let's let it load up. Again, look at it. Look at the prices, guys. Look at the amount of people, the liquidity up here, because there's a lot of people shorting. A lot of people are shorting. Oh my God. A lot of people are shorting quant versus, see, a lot of people here are still long in quant, which is me too. I'm included in those. But compare this with that. See how much liquidity it is? Quant, they're about to have that short squeeze potentially happening sometime this week or next week when this ETF goes live for Ethereum. That is what's about to happen. Now the same thing goes to Jasmine. Look at Jasmine. Show you right quick. Jasmine. Oh, come on. I don't know why he always sends me there. Or maybe it's me who has to go all the way back to do it. Let's go. Jasmine. Okay, I'm going to use the Binance charts. You see, you can see the same thing. Look at Jasmine, guys. This is why I'm telling you this price is about to run. See, look at the prices, the liquidation, the liquid. What do you call it? Look at the liquidity down here versus the liquidity up here. Did you all see it? Do you see it? There is a lot of short positions that are about to get liquidated versus the sketchy liquidity down here for the long positions. So yeah, this is about to make a lot of people a lot of money. Okay, it is funny how it is playing out. It is funny how it is playing out, but I've been saying this for the longest. Guys, get in there. Right now is the time for you to make those moves. Right now is the time for you to make your position on leverage, on spot, or however you're doing it, depending on what coins. Me, I am even mining Casper for that matter. I'm trying to get as many coins on Casper as possible. Okay, so I've been saying it. Congratulations to all of you who have been following my footsteps. It's not financial advice, it's what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you to follow or not to do so, because it's your money. You decide whatever you want to do with it. Now that being said, I do have Phemex and Bydfi links below. On those you can sign up and get rewarded. There are bonuses right there up to like $3,000, I think it is. You can sign up, get the bonuses, start to trade. Once you start making money, take your initial money out and start riding on the house money. That's how I grew my positions. That's what I did. Okay, so that being said, guys, I do not condone it. If you don't know how to do it, please stay away from it. Do not do it. Go have some practice done. Once you learn how to do it, then you can come back and start the leverage trading. But now let's go straight to my Bydfi. I'm about to show you my long trades, and then we'll go look at the Phemex, see how they are performing. Let's go Bydfi right here. Okay, let it load up a little bit. As you can see, okay, those of you who've been following my channel, you already know we went down all the way down to what, 19-20,000. I can't remember exactly. That's how low we went before the reversal started. And I kept telling you guys, this thing's about to take off. Today now we are sitting at 27,450. It's normal. It's normal because, as you can see, the crypto market here, price is taking a breather. Okay, it's all normal. Now let's go look at the contracts right quick. Whoa, Quanta, $79. Wow. But as you can see, Jasmine, let's look at start there first. Look at my Jasmine. I'm up 79%, almost 2,500. On Quant, I'm up 45%. Guys, those who thought that it was going down to $40, I'm up 45%, which is 2,177. Okay, now let's look at the King itself. We have King Casper. Okay, on King, I am up 77%, which is 6,300. Right there. Ain't that something? That is just amazing. Now let's go look at my short-term trades right quick, which are on Phemex right there. Okay, I need to sign up. If you remember, my overall on my short-term trades was also down. I think we went down to 6,200 or something like that. I don't remember, but if you can go back on my videos, you will see it. But today, look at that. We are up 10,600. This is the short term. Okay, short term trade. Depending on I'm deciding if I want to turn the Jasmine one into a long term, or do I want to keep it to be short term? Because on the Bydfi they don't allow me to do a 50x on that contract, so I'm thinking about switching them. The Jasmine on Bydfi become my short term, and then the one here on Phemex becomes my long term, because here on Phemex they allow me to do a 50x. You guys know I'm a very aggressive trader and I like to go on 50x once I get comfortable. But looking at the contracts, you can see right now, okay, look at my contracts. My Jasmine, I am up 210%. Okay, 210%, which is 3,500. On Casper, I am up 18%, which is almost $850. And then you guys remember, I gave you my take profit areas. Like for example, take profit on Jasmine. First one will be 0.5 at 5 cents. We're going to look at the market. If it is doing good, we're going to let it ride. If not, this is one of my take profit area. I will have this thing will make me almost not almost, it will make me $12,000. And here, if I'm taking profit, I'll probably take away 20 or 30% and let the rest ride. But if the market is doing good, we're gonna let it go to the target of the bull flag, which is at 10 cents. At 10 cents, we'll have us $33,000. Again, here we'll reevaluate. Maybe I will take 20 or 30% off if the market is not doing that good. But if the market is doing perfect, we're gonna let it ride. At 12 cents here, it will make us $41,000. $41,000, yeah, we do the same thing. Reevaluate. Okay, we reevaluate and decide if you want to take profits or not. If it is still doing good, we're gonna let it ride to the ultimate resistance, which is at 20 cents. Here for sure, I am going to take profits. I'm going to take, if I don't decide to keep this to be a long-term trade, if I still treat it as my short-term trades, I'm going to take more than 50% of my profits, because this thing here would have made me $75,000. Okay, so it's a matter of time. We're coming, it is getting there slowly. Those are my take profit on my short term for Jasmine. Now, when we look at Casper, we are looking at a little different of a game, because Casper right now is on the road for 25 cents. So 25 cents is still gonna make me $5 grand. Yeah, I will decide right there if I want to do it or not. But nah, looking at thinking about the more everything coming out for Casper, I think we're looking at Casper close to 30 cents. Here I will have me $7,000. Reevaluate the market and see how the KRC is doing, how the smart contracts are acting, and the listings. And because I'm telling you, once we get close to that, the migration done, this thing is gonna run. Grandpa and grandma exchanges on Coinbase, whatever you call them, they're going to start listing, and this can take Casper easily to $1. This will take me like make me 48,000 here for sure. At $1, yeah, I am going to take profits. I'm going to take 20-30% of my profits, or even higher, who knows. So yeah, that is what I'm about to do with my short-term trades. Now let's go back here. Now, the road to becoming a millionaire, that road, guys, is not easy. Okay, it's not. You have to be prepared to do what 99% of people are not doing. Okay, you have to be prepared to invest almost all your money. I don't go out, I don't hang out, I don't do none of that, I don't go on vacations, because I sacrifice all that to invest almost everything that I have. Okay, invest, because by the end of 2025, entering 2026, these investments, I am expecting 6 figures out of them. With those 6 figures, then I would kind of think about it. Yeah, probably I want to take a vacation, take the family, the kids, go around the world, go see some things, blow up some steam and stuff like that. Then remember, that is not the end of it. This is just your entryway, your gateway into the riches, going to be, where you want to be. going to what you will picture yourself you will be. Because in 5 years, we are going to be back here talking about this. This is my millionaire journey. It's not just to get to a millionaire status. Once we get to 20 million, what do you want to do? You want to stop? Not me. This is generational wealth. That's why I keep telling you guys, this opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Once. And if you fuck it up, sorry for my language, if you mess it up, it's up to you. It's up to you. Something like Casper, for example. Casper, okay, is going to be bigger than Ethereum. I've said it many times. I think Bitcoin is the testnet of Casper. Because Casper, when they launched these smart contracts and everything else, Casper, like I said, Casper is better, Casper is, excuse me, Casper is way better than Bitcoin. A lot of people don't want to see it. Maybe they're in denial or anything. So therefore, now is the time for you to pack up on that Casper bag. Pack it up, right? In the next bull run, this bull run, yeah, you make some money out of it. But the bull run after this one, you are going to wish you had Casper. You're going to wish you did. Quant again. Quant is convert like is connecting. You see APIs, okay, reward assets. Like, you know, the Swift system. Swift system is old. It's old. People moving money from one bank to another one in all the world is happening using the Swift. But right now, Casper comes up with the M-Bridge. M-Bridge is even way better than that. We move money in seconds. And now Quant comes back with M-Bridge. M-Bridge will move money way better than that and faster. Now, they are also working with banks using their project Rosalind. You know what? Let me just play this thing for you. Let me just play this for you guys right quick. Let's do it. I'm gonna play. Let me just play this thing right here.
Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are digital forms of cash. Many central banks are exploring the use of CBDCs to buy goods and services in shops and online. Project Rosalind from the BIS Innovation Hub London Centre and the Bank of England is testing how APIs could enable retail CBDC payments and support innovation. The project builds a prototype of this API. APIs define how systems should talk to each other. The prototype connects central bank ledgers with private sector service providers. It experiments with API functionalities that would enable providers to develop applications. These applications would help individuals and businesses to manage their CBDC balances with the central bank and make payments to each other in shops and online. Working with collaborators from the public and private sectors, the project explored many CBDC use cases. Some use cases tested integration with existing payment systems, some tried new ways to make payments, and some tested applications with emerging technology. The project explored how the API prototype could support private sector programmability. For example, after placing an order, a customer could agree to put away a certain amount of CBDCs so that a merchant could have certainty that the customer will be able to pay. Programmability could also allow payments to be triggered when agreed conditions are met, so that consumers would only be charged when their orders are delivered. The project also tested a privacy model that would not give the central bank access to users' personal data. The Rosalind experiment shows that the API prototype could support many different use cases and could work with different central bank ledger technologies. It could connect the central bank, service providers, individuals, and businesses to create an ecosystem. New ways to make payments could be added as the ecosystem continues to innovate. Project Rosalind, building API prototypes for retail CBDC ecosystem innovation.
Just wow. Wow, that's like I just said, guys. This was the introduction of Project Rosalind last year. Now they've done the test, they've done everything. They're about to launch it. So Quant will be more valuable than Bitcoin by 2030. So you guys do your math. Do your math. That's why I'm saying that, like, instead of you going out there spending $100 on anything, okay, take that $100, buy you one coin. Start moving up the ladder slowly, because soon enough, a lot of people that are going out there in restaurants, vacation, and all that stuff, and you are sacrificing all that stuff because you have a clear mind. That's why I say to become a millionaire is not an easy. It's not an easy road. You have to sacrifice a lot of stuff. Like most people tell me out there, yo, we don't see you that much. No, you don't see me, because guess what? I'm getting ready for something bigger. I'm getting ready to become what I want. That's what I'm getting ready for. That's why you see me with Quant. You see me with Casper, with Jasmine, getting myself better. Okay, that's what I keep telling guys about that. Nothing good, okay, nothing useful comes without sacrifice. Now is the time you have to ask yourself, what do you want and what do you need? Right now I'm playing with what I need. I just have what I need. After that, what I want has to wait, because I need to become a millionaire. I need that status first. And we will see, guys, you will see by the end of this run, 2025, 2026, we will sit here, okay, because I don't think I will stop making these videos. I will keep on updating you guys, because like I said, as soon as I get to that millionaire status, what stops me from becoming a $500 million man? I mean, that is excuse me, all right here, that is it. The sky is your limit. It's not easy, because everybody else, yeah, we want to spend money to do, we want to do this, we want to do that. But once you take the other way, once you take a different road from everybody, just like when the price was dumping, everybody was running, selling their positions. And what did I tell you guys? Not even what did I tell you, what did I do? I scaled up my positions. And as you can see right now, look at my spot position, look at my leverage positions. Who is laughing now? Who is laughing? Like they usually say, he who laughs last laughs better. And like I usually say, if you know, you know. It's not an easy road, okay? My mom used to tell me that, my mother, like, the life is not like a bed of roses. Those of them who make it like a bed of roses usually cry at the end of it. So no, I take the hard way, I take the rough road, because it is very rewarding. Nothing useful comes easily. Some people get, yeah, free wealth, they get easy wealth, but those people, what happens? Most of them lose it because they don't know how to manage it, or they don't know how to get it. But that's the difference between you and me. This is the point of this my millionaire journey. So guys, that being said, okay, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Share this video so that we can get to other millionaire minded people, okay? And like, comment. The more you comment, the more the video gets played for other people to see. Again, do not be average. Go the other way around. Take the different route. Take the 1%. Don't be the 99%. Okay? So guys, that being said, please be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.